Hello, welcome to Showbiz Singles YouTube channel. This is BRC Achievers Interview 2, and today I have a personality that he has multiple avatars. He is a soft skill trainer. He is a life coach. He is one of the best professional speaker that I have seen, and these days he's into network marketing. And more importantly, he's a person who's dedicated, who is consistent. He's meticulous with his hard work in order to achieve more and more on a daily basis in his life, and most importantly he targets to achieve great things by doing small things. That's something very important, and it is my pleasure to invite Abhishek Pandey on this interview. Abhishek, thank you so much for joining me, and how does it feel to be here?
Well, first of all, I actually got the revision of what all do I do. I mean, thank you so much,
Yeah.
Shobit. It is actually an immense pleasure to be here with you because we guys know each other from quite a
Mm,
like 2 or 3 months, I would say, maybe three
yes.
months and above. And in a very short period, I it seems like I know you a lot because the kind of I mean energy you carry forward to your group and people. This is something really good. Though we are talking about me here in this interview, but I would still try and bring your characteristics and your attributes here a lot because yeah, this meet and everything is happening just because this is a platform created by you. So all thanks to you
Thank,
and thank you very much for bringing me here.
Thank you, Abhishek. It's I always say that I have nothing but just a source of information. That's all. Everything that is my mentees achieve or my group members achieve, it is all because of their hard work. It is all because of their actions. And if you are sitting here because of in an achievers interview, it's all because of what you have done. As I always say that. So Abhishek, before I get into anything else, before we talk about the book journey and everything,
Yep.
so one basic question: How, when was the first time that you got to know about me? And secondly, Book Readers Club. So where did that journey start? Or the starting point I would like to know from you.
Right. So, as you know, like this lockdown thing is there, and people are pretty active
Mm,
on their social media platforms like
correct,
WhatsApp and Insta and
correct, correct.
Facebook and whatnot, right? So,
Mm,
I have been part of Gurukul team. Gurukul is a
mm.
group which is run by Akshay Agarwal. He's one of
Training
my
Gurukul.
very close, but yeah,
Yeah.
so we have lot many trainers over there. Those who come up with
Mm-hmm.
so many different backgrounds and expertise, group of
Mm-hmm.
psychologists and all.
Mm-hmm.
So you were one of the members, and
Correct,
I got
correct.
introduced by Akshay to the group, and I got you
Mm,
there. And I saw, like, I had been observing since I said, like, it was lockdown and we were confined to our social media platform. So I was giving a little more time in comparison than before
mm,
to my
mm, mm.
WhatsApp too.
Correct, correct.
So there, you came up, like Shobit Singhal came up with an idea of books, and books are something you can see in my background. There is.
Yeah, yeah,
I mean, you will not find Hindi books here, English books here. It's a lot of because I've done my masters in
yeah,
Hindi,
yeah. I know, I
so
know.
my inclination has been there. So this
Mm,
actually gave me a spark that
mm,
I am looking for. We all know, like in life, if we really would want to do something, we need to have a guru or a mentor,
mm,
or we if
mm,
we do not have an appropriate mentor, then we should through ourselves to a section of books. So here I got to understand that
mm,
yeah, there is a little push with my own consent is coming in picture, where I am getting an idea there is someone who is bringing this as a campaign, and campaign which is going to last like forever. So I got enlightened all of a sudden, and I got to know, like, there is some webinar going to be conducted by you. And there I made myself agree that yes, I'll be part of this. I had to open and on my antennas. Whatever is happening, I'm going to be part of it. I'll listen to it, and I'll try to extract the maximum. So here this picture came, that you got introduced in the group
mm.
Gurukul, and then after I got to know about a group called Book Reading Club, that is BRCB named.
Yeah, correct, correct,
Yeah.
correct. So, when you join the webinar, the free webinar that I do, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And how was that experience? And after that webinar, I always also pitch my program of Book Readers Club. So two questions: How was the webinar experience, and why did you join? So, what was the triggering point that okay, I need to join this?
And there was one more question that you did not reiterate. That was like, how was the experience, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so experience. If I have to answer in one word, that was phenomenal.
Okay.
because it was not something I had been doing regularly and some
Mm,
regular practice. It was different
mm,
and it was so fruitful because
correct.
I had been gaining a lot from that. The first webinar I attended, obviously, that was I have a credit, I have a gratitude of this that you allowed me to be part of this, and I did not pay anything because the moment the sales thing comes in picture, you lose your interest by the time.
Correct.
So I
Correct.
got to understand that yeah, this is going to be a webinar. Then I got to understand all book lovers, all readers, those who have got an impact from books and authors, they are being part of this
Correct. Correct.
webinar. So
Mm,
this was my first experience, and the experience was phenomenal. It was commendable.
mm,
I
mm,
got to understand so many things which were unfolded, which were treasure, but I never
mm.
knew. But by the time, yeah, I got to understand. And I guess I am one of the positive and regular members of the BRC webinars
Yeah,
so
yeah,
far
yeah,
because
yeah.
I gain. I gain.
In fact, I always say that those who are in achievers interviews not because of one or two things they have achieved, big things.
Mm,
It's about
mm,
the small, small things they are achieving on a daily basis. So,
yeah.
like those things matters.
Believe me, Shobit,
Hmm.
it wasn't possible without you. I mean, I have been with many people.
Yeah.
You have to, I understand that you're modest enough to take this compliment, but yeah, you also know when you came, there must be something behind it. People are self-motivated, but again, we have a little push for the same direction that works like 10x, right? 10 times.
Hmm.
That 10x is you in my life for book reading.
Thanks, Abhishek.
Yeah.
For the viewers' experience, I want to know that when you joined the Book Readers Club, I think it was in March, if I'm not wrong, March or
Mhm.
April, first week.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how
Big
was the
initial.
how was the first few days? Like, did you got a lot of grilling? Because I remember you telling me that Shobit, I don't read English books. I only read Hindi text, and I made you read English books, like, which are world famous books. And we'll talk about the books that you read. But how was the first days? Was there a struggle? Was there too much difficult for you, or was it like easy flow? How was the experience for the first few days of BRC?
Agree. So see, you ask like if someone asks me like what is the most suffocating situation for me in the world, I'll say when I'm on a treadmill, because everyone everyone wants to lose calories and they would want to be in shape. The first thing they choose, they go to gym and they go on treadmill in order to reduce some calorie. And believe me, those
Yeah,
5, 10, 20 minutes, no, time doesn't go. I mean, you
correct,
just
correct.
get stuck. It is so suffocating. The
Yeah.
same feeling was there when I had my first English book in my hand because obviously I studied and I read newspapers, magazines, but
Mhm.
dedicatedly finishing a book with complete 300 odd pages with something where you are getting some takeaways and some learnings, how is it going to impact my life? And I chose, I'm sure that you suggested me 3 books, but there was a book that was a pending thing in my
Mhm.
mind from a long
Mhm.
time that I'll finish.
Mhm.
So I requested you, can I finish this? And you were like, too modest. I'm so thankful. You said, okay, whatever you feel like, at least begin this. I picked my book, but
Yeah.
again, that was a challenge. The moment I finished like 5 pages or so, I was like, I already reached Mount Everest. Now I'm really not going to take this further. This is too much. But,
Yeah.
the way you said, like, or maybe books say that 21 days make a habit if you keep doing the same task
Mm.
willingly or
Mm.
unwillingly.
Mm.
So it did not, make me do for 21 days. It was only a week time. The first day
Mm.
was really bitter. It was tough. It was grilling. But when I saw like my kind of people are there, people I am at least in lockdown. I'm sitting home and I'm doing my kind of activities. So it was a golden opportunity for me where I could have gone for my own choices. So I
Correct.
thought like when these other people can do, where we have a range of people from people who are from 16 to 60,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
We have
correct.
a variation of people.
We have
Housewives are there.
yeah, we have retired colonels from
Yes.
55. We
And
have
that actually is a zeal for
yeah,
me.
yeah.
Yeah.
BRC is a very dynamic community. Even I'm very honored and lucky that I have so many people in my group. Yeah,
Indeed,
right.
indeed, indeed.
Yeah,
I'll second you here.
yes,
So
yes.
I got to see there are people.
Mm-hmm.
We have got Vishwesh, we have got
Mm-hmm.
Rekha ji, we have Gayatri ji, we
Yes,
have got
yes.
Ajay, we have got.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, who not? Like we have got so many people there.
We have 70 people today. So
Congratulations to you because this is the journey. Book
yeah,
reading के लिए किसी को लेकर आना, you understand this is such a difficult task. People are so
yeah.
comfortable in their own lives, in their
Correct,
cocoons.
correct.
They don't come.
Yeah.
So I remember when I saw these people that work like a fuel to me, it
Mm.
gave me a zeal, a zest, and I came up with an agenda, come what may. And luckily, the book was phenomenal. That Rich Dad Poor Dad was my first book that I picked
Okay.
up, and I come up. I would say that I am more of an Agatha Cocologist. It's a personality who has characteristics of good and bad things, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
one personality of mine used to push me to read. Another was like, okay, let's sit and go for some Netflix and let's chit chat and let's do some Insta thing.
Right. Right.
One was pushing me to do, and one was like stopping me. But I thought, let it be like this. And this money making thing, when it came, I actually achieved in my way a lot in my life. So I had a feeling it's fine. This is the time where I can actually, encash what I have learned. But by the book, my thought process changed entirely. I came back to like I got too active for network marketing that I never thought that I will be sparing time.
Yeah.
And somewhat this Rich Dad Poor Dad is a big
Yeah.
push.
Rich Dad Poor Dad is the brand of network marketing. That book will push
Robert
you to.
Kiyosaki
Yeah.
nailed it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's awesome,
Exactly. Correct.
awesome,
Correct.
awesome.
Correct.
So this is how it
Hmm.
came. Book
Hmm.
was interesting, and you guys were like too active. Like, what happened today? Like, there was 7 days challenge. I remember. Oh man. So like, I had to go through the video. I had to tell you the takeaways from the video, and I had to go for this action plan also.
Hmm.
And it is, believe me, what I have learned by being part of this BRC, that when you are the busiest, you do the best too. जब आपके पास सबसे डिफिकल्ट और टाइट शेड्यूल होता है तब आप सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हो
Correct.
कि ये भी कर लिया ये भी कर लिया and when you are free you just let it happen. I mean,
That's
you do not
amazing.
have a
That's
control on
that's
things.
great. That's great. So, as you mentioned, 7 day reading challenge. So
Yeah,
let's talk about that. So,
yeah, sure,
seven
sure.
day reading challenge is a 7 day video course where
Hmm,
from
hmm,
start to end in 7 days, I threw a challenge to my mentees that in 7 days you can, if you follow the videos, follow the
hmm.
action plans, and you can become a pro leader.
Yeah.
So how was your experience of those videos? Did you find them useful, and how what kind of actions you took after watching the videos? So that I want to know.
Initially, I would say like for first 3 days, it was little of procrastination there. I was like, I'll watch the video later. And then
Yeah.
I see that this is the time to sleep. I'm in bed, and
Yeah.
I did not finish my task. And then all of a sudden, someone pings or some messages come, it pops up in WhatsApp group. Hey, today I saw the video and this, and I was like, oh man, I did not finish my task. Then you also
Yeah.
remember by 3 in the morning, I pinged you, dude.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, I
Yeah.
got late, but yes, I did it. And I,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
actually did this mistake. Like I bothered you like a couple of times during midnight because that was the time I was free from everything. But I made sure that I went through the entire 7 days video. I got to know every video was different. The best about that 7 days challenge was you had something to unfold. Eh, There was
Yeah.
like how to finish the book. How can I finish maximum books? How can I inculcate those learnings in my life?
Mm.
There are various things you gave me in those 7 days challenge, and that actually made my regime. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is something I've picked up intentionally,
Mm.
and I will follow it. And it
Great.
gave me a miraculous difference.
Awesome. Awesome, Abhishek. So, Abhishek, you already mentioned that you have finished Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Hmm.
So that in the span of till the time since when you have joined the club, the three best books or the three books major books that you have completed. Would you like to name them and also major learnings from them in a short stay? Yeah.
It's such a difficult question, Shobit, because believe me, the book you choose to read, because obviously I have not been part of any library
Mhm.
yet. So
Mhm.
anything is like unread to me. I had to bring everything. So
Mhm.
whichever book I picked, it was my choice. I did a little research. How can it be connected to
Mhm.
my own well-being and my future and my career? So
Correct.
I picked it up. And by now I have finished approximately 14 books by now.
Oh, that's nice. Very good.
And
Very good.
believe me, and my major task for the day is like reading and listening to books, reading and listening to books. This is my
Correct.
major task
Correct.
these days.
Correct. Correct.
So it will be an injustice to pick up 3 books because most of the books have been good, but
Yeah,
still,
name as many as you can.
I
No problem.
I have a list here, and I like this Brian Tracy's Eat That Frog.
Eat that frog. Yeah,
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 that
yeah,
was a book with less content, but those were dynamites.
yeah,
These takeaways were
yeah.
dynamites.
By the way, for people who are watching, Eat That Frog, if you have a habit of procrastinating, if you have a
Yeah.
habit of delaying things, read that. It's a very small book, 100 pages, I guess. Read that, and in 2 days you can finish the book, and your life will change. You will not procrastinate
Absolutely.
after reading that book. Correct. Yeah.
And the push I got, that I noted down in my own handwriting, the takeaways from the book. I
Ah,
posted it
exactly.
on
Yeah,
LinkedIn and Insta
yeah,
and
yeah.
Facebook, because obviously my kind of people,
Mm.
those who are into procrastination,
And
they
one
they
of
would.
your posts got trending also on LinkedIn.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one of the. So that's also good. See, that's what I never suggested people to handmade notes and post it on social media. This is the actions that mentees take, and they
Yeah.
they they go overboard and they achieve these things. So great,
It is my
awesome.
responsibility as
Yeah.
a part of the group. It is my responsibility. You gave
Mm.
your 100%. Now, if I
Yeah.
cannot make that 100 to 105, I'll be failure.
Correct.
How,
Correct.
what can I
Mm.
add into it? Because obviously
Mm.
this is something you got from somewhere, and we have to,
Mm.
pass the
Yeah.
parcel
Yeah.
like a
Correct.
torch
Correct.
to everyone.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So Eat That Frog, well, I will say that Brian Tracy's book, that is one
Mm-hmm.
of the amazing books
Mm-hmm.
that I have gone through. I liked Robin Sharma a lot.
Robin
uh,
Sharma.
the Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, and
Monk sold his
who will
Ferrari.
cry,
Yeah.
when you'll die,
Yeah.
and 5 a.m. Club. I mean, you are asking
Yeah.
me three books, that I would say Alchemist. The Alchemist is
Alchemist, of
wow,
course. Yeah.
Paulo, yeah. And the
Yeah.
Rich Dad Poor Dad was wonderful. Brian Tracy's Eat That Frog is
Mm.
really nice. And
Yeah.
consolation देने का अगर मेरे पास choice है कि मैं दे सकता हूँ consolation, then I will say uh, Robin Sharma Club, because
Robin
all the
Sharma.
books from that group is nice. I
Robin
mean, I
Sharma.
really liked
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. Yeah. So, see, I always suggest books. Like two, three things. I When I suggest books to people, I two, three things I always keep in mind with that. First
Hmm.
thing, has that book changed my life in firstly? Because,
Yeah.
for example, all the books that you have mentioned, I read all those books in 2019 last year, and
Hmm.
I got a major shifts in my life after reading all that. So first, if someone tells me financial problem, Rich Dad Poor Dad. If someone tells me Shobit, materialistic problem, I'm not able to discover myself, self discovery, Mongo's oldest Ferrari, Alchemist, I can easily
Yeah.
procrastination, eat that frog. So basically, I have jot down these kind of books. So bundle of books. Okay, this problem, this book is the best. This problem, this book is the
Yeah,
best.
this is, I really had to
Yeah.
appreciate you for this, because you, once you give this video and audio to watch in 7 days challenge,
Mhm.
you ask people at the end, like, what do you think is the major challenge or something that you haven't achieved in life that you're looking for, the dream, or maybe
Yeah,
the
yeah,
path
correct.
that you're looking for.
Mhm.
I really got connected with that. मुझे
Mhm.
किस चीज में कमी लग रही है. लाइफ इज फुल
Mhm.
ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर एवरीवन.
Mhm.
हमारे हाथ में, हम क्या रखते हैं और क्या छोड़ देते हैं, स्लिप कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, yeah, correct,
So
correct.
the moment you said, like, I gave you my things, that this is the challenge of my life, the way you
Mhm.
came up, you suggested me a couple of books, and believe me, I did not order them as per your order, but later on when I read them, I got to know that you have got a wonderful understanding for the people, I mean, to their problems related with the books they can get a solution in. So
Correct.
I will say that this is something you have earned, because it is not easy.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is a world book, man. There are a hell lot of hundred and thousands of books. But the moment you say कि डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को गले में दर्द हो रहा है, okay, you go for this Benadryl, मेरे कान में दर्द हो रहा है. So it is, you have done a good research, I'll say.
Yeah, so I always say, Abhishek, that it all comes from experience.
Yeah.
I have experienced failure myself, and I have overcome those failure through books. And I
Mhm.
have to give credit to my mentors. Like my there's in India there's a person called Dev Gadvi, and he's a mentor of mine. He has suggested a lot of books. Then I have a mentor called Siddharth Rajshekhar. He has
Mhm.
suggested a lot of books, especially the books written by Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill, and all these authors.
Yep, yep, yep,
Then
yep.
if you go to West, you will see Dan Lok, you will see
Then log, yeah.
Grant Cardone, you will see Dan Pena. A lot of Ron Malhotra, a lot of mentors are there, and
Mm.
they keep suggesting books. They keep suggesting books. In fact, there are a lot of books that which are unknown to the entire world. It is not
Mm.
popular. For example, there is a book called The School of Happiness. It's an amazing book. There's a book called Life Leverage. It shows how you can
Yeah,
leverage people. I mean, these books are
it is in my
suggested.
bucket list. This live
Yeah,
leverage
these
book
books
is
are
in my bucket
suggested
list.
by people, in different. Right now, for example, one of my mentee, Mithu, he was the one who introduced this book, and I ordered myself, and I'm reading this right now. Fast, cheap, and viral.
Yeah,
So
it is in my bucket
yeah,
list. He suggested in
so
group. Yeah.
this book is actually good. It tells Indian market, Indian mindset, what Indians are looking for when you they click a video, a one
Okay.
minute video, how can get maximum views and millions. So
Okay.
it's all like it's not only me. It's all I believe in that word synergy. If you've heard of that word.
Synergy. Yeah, yeah. That is a
We
synergy.
so we the the more we connect with different people, then energy comes with us. So all the collection plethora of books, 100 book plus books I have in my library today. It is all of my own research, obviously, and of course, people also keep suggesting me. For example, I recently ordered this book, Atomic Habits.
Yeah.
This book again, people were
This book
suggesting.
is the bestseller in the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
world.
Yeah, I
In the
mean,
world, the highest
I yeah,
gross
yeah.
income it
So
made.
that's
Yeah.
what I was not aware about this book. People keep
It's a
reading
beautiful
it,
book.
so I ordered myself, and then I start reading it next week.
Mm, mm,
So anyway, so Abhishek, very important question that
yeah.
people say that book reading is, especially people who are not part of BRC now. When I give a webinar or something like that, they keep asking book reading is a theoretical activity. Okay,
Yeah.
fine, we read books. So, but I always say that for me, book reading has changed my life because I've implemented a lot of practical things. So,
Mm,
in your experience with all the books that you have read, one answer you already gave me, that Rich Dad Poor Dad, you got into network marketing because of that book. That book. So, I would like to know three implementations or three practical help that these books have given, not theoretical mindset or something. Practically, how these books have helped you. One, you gave the answer. Would you can elaborate on that? And but total three practical helps these books have given you.
okay. So as you said, believe me, obviously I'm not at your level where I
Mhm.
can suggest books because my book knowledge and book bank is like limited to 14, 15 or maybe books where I get
Mhm.
takeaways in group, right?
Correct.
I keep connecting with that.
Mhm.
And I will take the name of Mithu here because you already introduced him. I'll say he actually is fire. He's a spark to
Mhm.
the group. He's the one
Correct.
who's
Correct.
keeping
He is
keeping
very
us
good. He
alive,
is very good. He is
right?
very
So
good.
I'll appreciate during this interview because he's doing a phenomenal job. And my takeaways, I would say the very first thing I got to know by the book, the kind of roadmap was given by Shobit, that there should be a roadmap in
Mhm.
this. Like if we are not going to be CEO of some multi-level, a multinational brand, 52 books and all,
Mhm.
but again there should be a roadmap. How
Correct.
and when
Correct.
I'm going to finish this. The first thing I got
Mhm.
to understand, whichever task I'm picking up, then I have to go through with a roadmap. This is given by books, which was missing in my life. I was so much into temporary
Right.
targets,
Correct.
but
Correct.
now I
Correct.
got to know like this. There is something called permanent target, and yeah, I am behaving like a train now, a
Mhm.
train with an engine. People are coming, and they are on different platforms. They are entering, they are going out, but I am towards my focus, and I will be moving. I'll reach my destination. I don't care who is coming, who is not coming, but those who really would want to seek my help, I'll be there for them. But yeah, I'm focused. So roadmap is one thing I got from the books. Second thing I got to understand, that if I really have to make big, I have to think a little small. The things come in volume,
Correct. Correct.
right? If I mean, had it been with you, अगर आपको लगता that I'm going to finish like 60 books in 1 year, आप शुरू ही नहीं करते एक से, तो वो
Ah,
volume मिलता ही नहीं.
correct.
So
Correct.
the point is, I understood that no work is something related to my profile and all. The moment I'm getting a learning, BRC, lockdown, such things were never in our agenda, but it came all of a sudden. We connected, we became part of that. So I
Yeah.
understood that there is nothing called small or big. I will work for volume. If I have to
Mhm.
actually I have to work like an ant,
Correct.
because
Correct.
the way it works, there is
Mhm.
very small thing that you do not see, but the moment you would add a penny every day, वो
Yeah.
कहते हैं
Yeah.
ना कि
Correct. Correct.
पत्थर पे रोज एक बूंद गिरती है तो वो भी पत्थर का शेप बदल देती है.
Correct.
So
Correct.
so it is like I started working for a volume. I haven't done this before, but now I understood like there is nothing called big and small. You just give your 100%. The third thing I have got is early rising. I mean, this 5 a.m. club.
Mhm.
I
Ah.
was so much in my comfort zone, dude. I can't tell you like how happy I was in my life. I mean, yeah, obviously there were some struggles, but I could manage to sleep like by 10 or 11, I'm getting up. I'm like
Mhm.
awake for no reason. And now I am an early riser. By 5:30, I leave my bed. I go to run. I read a book for an hour. In fact, मैं जब दौड़ भी रहा हूँ तो भी मेरे कान में ऑडियो बुक चल रही होती है. मैं
Correct.
कुकिंग कर रहा
Correct.
हूँ
Correct.
तो वो मेरे कान में चल रही है. तो ये
Correct.
जो
Correct.
सुबह उठने की जो मुझे आदत मिल गई है, आई एम ब्लेस्ड नाउ. 21 दिन से ज्यादा हो चुके हैं, एंड आई एम फॉलोइंग द
Yeah.
ट्रैक.
For the morning people, I would recommend a book called Mornings, Miracle
Okay,
Millionaire Mornings by Hell Eldor.
alright.
And
You read this Ikigai, and you go for Robin Sharma Club. Any book you pick up, uh,
yeah, yeah. Book
yeah,
So any book you pick up, any successful people have said mornings. What you do before 11 a.m. will shape up your life. That's what all the millionaires and all the rich people have spoken.
Fabulously said. Yeah, I agree.
The most important thing of your entire day, you should finish by 11 a.m. You should do that, and the most important and more productive time is before 11 a.m. So like reading affirmations and all that I do in the morning only.
Actually an excellent, yeah, मैंने ये नोटिस किया, मैं अपना ग्राफ अगर अभी सबकॉन्शियस में देख रहा हूँ बैठ के, तो मेरी सबसे ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिविटी 11 बजे के पहले ही आई है.
Yeah, in fact मेरा जो mentor है सिद्धार्थ राजशेखर, I'm creating a video course, online video course right now, and he says that every single video that you post or make it fresh breakfast before 11 a.m. 9 to 11 is the best time to shoot because you're full of energy, you are full of positivity. That's the best time. So even I believe that and I agree that for sure.
सुबह 7 बजे तो दोस्त मेरा एक वेबिनार हो जाता है मेरे नेटवर्किंग ग्रुप के लिए. I mean, it's not me who's getting up at 5 in the morning. People from so many corners in the world are actually following the regime. So yeah, awesome. Nature helps. Nature helps.
Of course. Great. Awesome. So Abhishek, all these things you have done, you have read the book, you have implemented, you have joined the club. So just a small feedback of BRC, not me, not Shobit or my efforts, but the group, the activities in the group, the WhatsApp group that we have, the Google Drive that we have. What about that? Because as you mentioned that someone is posting on the group and I get challenged, okay, I have not done this, they have done. So what kind of motivations, what kind of positivities or negativities are coming in your life with that Book Readers Club group and the Google Drive that we have? What about that? What do you say about that?
Google Drive is actually a vault. It is indeed a vault and real treasure also. Because I understand if I am naming a book, for example, Eat That Frog, and I would say, Shobit, I'm looking for this book. The answer from you, in case the book isn't there, then you would say, okay, I'll get it. It is not like I'll try to get it. I'll get it. See the affirmation you have. कि वो vault हमारा बढ़ने वाला है, multiple में बढ़ने वाला है, right? तो इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है यार कि जब मैं हाथ डालूं मेरे हाथ में कोई किताब मिल जाए, मैं कुछ नहीं बैठ के सर्च कर रहा हूँ, मैं हाथ डालूं मुझे हाथ में किताब आ जाए. एंड बिलीव मी, हम किसी चीज को यूं ही टालते रहते थे, उसका कोई फर्क ही नहीं, मतलब उससे हमें कुछ सुकून या वी आर नॉट गेनिंग एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. But the moment this vault idea came in picture, I don't know how did you get this कि आप इतने सारे लोगों के लिए you will be arranging these many things. This is the best thing you have done for any reader. This vault is adding on a lot. Second, being part of this group, I got to understand that I have become more responsible. Responsible as in if someone has posted something like midnight or maybe during the day or any time, I will come and I'll see all the posts and I'll see the hard work and the patience and the creativity someone has put in behind the thing which has come in picture.
In fact, one post also they they put emojis and all, so like
that matters.
Complementing the sentence. So people actually it's like 10-15 minutes it will take just to write only.
So this I've become responsible. Yes, I am being appreciated and my appreciation is working for others also.
Correct.
So this thing came from obviously this reading club. At the same time, I saw that people are making this reading habit as their most important, task of the thing. और इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है? क्योंकि we have got plenty of things to do. In lockdown, I saw people are dying to be in queue to get some liquor. People are posting so many of cooking stuff. I am also doing it. I am part of that. But at the end, मैंने 24 hours के agenda में productive क्या किया है? और मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे ज्यादा कुछ भी प्रोडक्टिव हो सकता है. लाइफ में बहुत लोगों के लिए पैसा कमाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, किसी को फैमिली टाइम देना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, कोई अपने गोल्स के लिए काम करता है. बट बिलीव मी, दैट इज something that you think by taking a leap from so many tasks. But if you follow the path, these will be byproduct. The success, money, family, being into people, appreciations. These things will be byproducts when you actually follow the journey by reading books, because they are giving you ready-made answers. They are giving you tailor-made answers. So BRC, I'll say it is not even an investment, because I have seen how people, waste and invest things as per their own zone. But I would say it is something that willingly and unwillingly just push yourself. The way एक माँ बाप बच्चे को स्कूल जाने के लिए जबरदस्ती पुश करते हैं, वो रोता है, अगर वो सोचो कि वो तब उसकी बात मान जाए तो बच्चा कभी स्कूल नहीं जा पाएगा. तो अपने आप को थोड़ा सा I'll suggest that we should push ourselves a little, going little beyond our comfort zones, start a track, and I'm sure this group is that empowered कि आपके हाथ पकड़ के वो आपको कब भीड़ में आगे ले जाके प्लेस कर देंगे आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
Yeah,
So
correct.
we should be that way.
Great, awesome. So Abhishek, last two questions. One is
Yeah.
people who are not part of the group as of now, or people who are watching, those who are not members of BRC.
Mhm.
I'm not asking you to make them join the group, but what is the
Mhm.
message that you would like to tell them? Is there anything that you would like to tell them, or anyone who's not in a habit of reading? Let's say it's person's choice. It's democracy is there. We can't
Mhm.
force anyone, but someone who's not reading books or someone who's not into self development, what is the message would you like to give them? Because you're a life coach
There are
yourself.
many. Yeah, there are many. Believe me, this is. I mean, offline also. Those who are not from the group, these guys come to me. They ask me the suggestion, which book should I read, and how do you manage to write takeaways and this and that. The people come up. Then I would say that you actually know the problem, you understand the problem, but you do not want to work on solution.
Correct.
The problem is within,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
The problem
Correct.
is within. I'll message them कि जो मैंने अभी बच्चे का स्कूल जाने वाला एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है कि अगर हम कोई छोटा सा वीडियो गेम भी खेलते हैं ना तो उसमें भी देयर आर मेनी लेवल्स. लेवल 1 पे जितना ईज होगा लेवल 5 पे उतना ईज नहीं होगा. लेवल 10 पे उससे भी ज्यादा डिफिकल्टी लेवल हो जाएगा. एंड लाइफ इज अबाउट दिस ओनली. आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन में, हमारी एक सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, एक मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. अब मैं एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हूँ, मैं लाइफ कोच हूँ और मैं खाली साउंड करूँ. वी मस्ट हैव हर्ड दैट एन एम्प्टी वेसल साउंड मच. मेरे पास कंटेंट ना हो, वो कंटेंट कैसे आएगा? Obviously an experience traveling, being with so many activities is one experience. But at the same time, if I read, because people from different experiences they have become authors. उनका पूरा एक वॉल्ट बन गया है जिसमें वो किताबें ला रहे हैं. तो मेरा मैसेज ये कि अपनी कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलो, खुद से झूठ बोलना बंद करो. खुद से झूठ बोलना बहुत जरूरी है. यार मेरे पास इतना सारा काम होता है, एंड आई रियली वुड वांट टू एनालाइज दीस पीपल. मैं उनके साथ में एक ग्रिल सेशन करना चाहता हूँ. मुझे वो काम बताओ और उससे तुम कितने करोड़ रुपए छाप रहे हो, मुझे प्लीज बताओ. मैं समझना चाहता हूँ क्या काम होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल टेक सम ट्रेनर्स नेम, ट्रेनर्स एग्जाम्पल, कि उनको बहुत काम है, उनके बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स हैं. आप सोचो कि आप एक वेबिनार में जा रहे हो, आपका वेबिनार फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग का ही है, या फिर हाउ टू गिव अ फीडबैक, या कोई भी एक वेबिनार है. आप उससे रिलेटेड एक किताब पढ़ के जाते हो अगर, तो आपका कंटेंट कितना मल्टीप्लाई कर जाएगा यार, सोच के देख. और उसके लिए भी आपको पीछे से इतनी पैम्परिंग मिल रही है, इतना पुश मिल रहा है, जिसको तुम ग्रिलिंग का नाम दे सकते हो. बट फॉर मी इट इज लाइक माई सेल्फ पुश, बिकॉज दिस इज माई चॉइस. मैं किसी भी समय क्विट कर सकता हूँ ग्रुप से, मुझे कोई उसके लिए फोर्स नहीं करेगा. So my message for them is please try and come out of your comfort zone. If you think I am good enough, or Shobit is good enough, or Bitu is good enough, or any person from the group is good enough to talk to you, to analyze the problem what you have, then we'll discuss and we'll unfold, and I'm sure we'll come up with a solution.
Yeah, correct. So in June we are starting this book marathon. You have read?
Yeah, I read it, and
yeah. So are you excited for that? Okay, I think we have lost Abhishek for a minute. Let's wait for him to come back. So meanwhile he's coming, I would people who are watching this interview, I would say that Abhishek is one of the most engaging and most hardworking person in Book Readers Club, and he has been doing activities on a daily basis. Yeah, Abhishek, you are back. You're not audible, Abhishek. You have to unmute yourself.
Is it audible now?
Yes, it is audible now.
Yeah, I was on Wi-Fi actually, and it went off. So
no problem. So, yeah. So last May I was saying that that book marathon. So
yeah.
For June, will you be participating in that? Are you excited?
I'm super excited because again, this is an opportunity to finish books, and I just yeah. I have actually got a habit of audible books by now. So again, okay. I came into a comfort zone. So this will be breaking my comfort zone of reading.
Awesome. So for people who are not part of BRC, I'm in June. I'm starting something called as book marathon. So basically, what I'm doing, this is an idea came from my mentor Siddharth Rajshekar. Every month he do a hackathon. So every month to implement systems, he every month or on a weekly basis he throws challenge at people. So I thought that on a daily basis we can do challenge. So initially I thought I'll keep 3 books, but then I saw where is the challenge in this. So let's keep 5 books, 6 days in one book. So what we'll do is we'll start from June 1, June 1st to June 6th, we'll finish one book. And I will
Okay.
post how many pages, how many chapters persons has to read. I'll lay down the plan. I will do the same. So basically, if I've read, for example, first book I'll start in June. I'm thinking to start this, my favorite book, Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark
All right.
Manson. This book has
So
changed my
has
life,
got.
and
It will be easy for me. I've got
it's
through.
a book like all the things that we keep thinking about, padosi kya bolega, family kya bolega, should
Yes,
I care about that?
beautiful book. A beautiful
This
book.
book will change your perception. This book will tell you how not to give fuck about anything in your life. So I
Yes.
will start that book in June 1st. So this is hackathon. This is the kind of marathon we are starting. I would recommend people who are not part of BRC, by 31st is a good time to join the club, and that's an
Yes.
amazing opportunity. Secondly, I would say that every Friday 9 p.m. I do the book reading webinar, as Abhishek also knows. So if you need more information, you can join the club. Abhishek, because you are a network marketer, I would like to raise one more point. And how do you feel about that? The BRC affiliation. So in network marketing, what is the kind of commission that you get if you sell a 100 rupee product? And what kind of commission I'm giving you? If you can just throw some light on that.
It's a critical question. You also know the answer, actually. See,
Yeah.
dude, yours, I would say, if I have to categorize it, I would say that you are doing a noble job, because there is nothing called like that you will get like entire 50% amount. This is something unbelievable, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it is
correct.
just we are bringing more energy and some potential to our people, those who are ready to read, and we can bring something good to
Mhm.
society. I
Correct.
wouldn't say this is so negligible. We can ignore that amount. It is nothing. And when we
Correct.
talk about network marketing, that actually like it is too
Mhm.
much of hard work. And again,
Mhm.
it is a seed that you actually grow, and after that you would see that
What is
there
the
are
what is the
huge fruits.
percentage you get? 10%, right? If I'm not wrong. 5% to
For
10%. Achha, no, sorry. You have to bring more and more people, and they will keep investing.
there is
If I'm not
you're
wrong.
talking about this network marketing.
Network marketing.
Like network marketing has got different parts. There are, I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
the product that I would not disclose here, because
yeah. Of
obviously,
course. I
yeah, it
understand.
would
I
go to a
understand.
different direction. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
But again, this is something where if I really work for 6 good months, and I
Mm-hmm.
understand, because this is all about calculation, maths, and my brain.
Mm-hmm.
If I really work hard the way it is asked, I'm sure it is.
Mm-hmm.
You must have heard a big name, the motivational speaker, Mr. Solu Sharma.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, I
Yeah,
know him. Of course.
he's my mentor there. He's my
Yeah.
upline. So
He's the head of a company, which I guess you are there. Yeah, yeah. If
right,
I'm
right.
not wrong.
So
Yeah,
so
yeah. Mhm.
he's one of the like participants there. And by
Mhm.
9:30 in the webinar, I was with him. So we had a
Mhm.
word. So since he's there, it is again a Shobit single there also, where I have a push. So these mentors are actually changing my life
Yeah.
somehow.
Okay.
So this
Great.
is how it is. So BRC
Awesome.
has nothing to join. It is like you are just losing your time for no reason. Be part of
Yeah.
that as soon as
Correct.
possible.
Awesome. So, guys, with that note, we'll close it. And I would like to say that Abhishek is one of the best speakers and very thought-provoking professional coach. Also, I would say, if you have any, he's in Delhi, right? Delhi.
Yeah, I'm in Greater Noida. Yeah.
Greater Noida, but again, because of Corona, I think virtually we all are connected throughout the
NCR.
world.
Yeah, yeah.
So
NCR. Yeah.
entire India, he is a very good trainer, and he's part of many colleges. He's a leading coach in many colleges and many professional corporates as well. I would like, if you need any kind of training from him, please you can. I'll share a LinkedIn link profile in the YouTube link description. You can click on
Thank
that
you
and
so much.
connect with Abhishek. He's very good. I have personally seen his sessions. He's pretty good, and you will not regret that. So
Thank you
Abhishek,
so much.
great.
Yeah.
Abhishek, any last thoughts before we close down?
I would say that you are actually excelling in your work, because your dedication is remarkable.
Thank you,
Remarkable.
Abhishek. Thank you,
I'll say,
Abhishek.
Shobit, that keep up the noble work. I understand. I mean, it is really difficult. Even जो एक पेड़ होता है वो एक समय पे फ्रूट्स देता है और कुछ समय के लिए वो शांत हो जाता है. तो
Correct,
हर किसी
correct.
की लाइफ में वो टाइम आता है जब आप थोड़ा सा डल फील करते हो, एनर्जी में थोड़ा सा आपको लगता है कि there is some motivation required. So please recover that part and come back, because you are needed for the society. My kind of people are needed for the society. हमें वो
Yeah, yeah.
spark रखनी है, alive रखनी है. This
Correct, correct.
BRC is a very it used to be a small project, but the way it is taking shape, it is actually enrooting things, and it is nice. So I'll say आपने इतना अच्छा काम करने की शुरुआत की है, मैं अपनी मोरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूँ, मेरी टीम के सारे लोग लेते हैं, उनके बिहाफ पे मैं बोलता हूँ, we'll bring it to a level where you will be known, this BRC will be known, and I'm sure 100 of lives will be, transformed.
Correct, correct.
Can you hear me?
Yes. I think we lost because of the internet.
Maybe.
But anyway, so thank you, Abhishek, for your kind words. And I think I would say you are one of the best mentees I have, and I'm very happy to work with people like you. Okay.
Thank you so
And
much.
so I, as you said, we'll hope that we'll go beyond boundaries and we'll crack more and uh, more milestones to achieve. Okay. Great. Thank you, Abhishek, for being
Definitely,
part of
for
this.
sure. Amen.
And
Yeah.
yeah, we'll have a chat again. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much for giving me this opportunity. For
Thank you,
sure,
Abhishek.
for sure.
Bye.
Keep
Take
up
care.
doing the good work. Yeah.
Thank you,
Take
Abhishek.
care.
Bye.
Bye bye.